Hey everyone, Robert Silver here, and today I've got the Nikon Z 24-70 f2.8S lens. I'm super excited to do this unboxing for you today. I know there's a few videos already out there that have done it, but I'm bringing it to you. Now, I want to give a big shout out to Mike's Camera, especially at the Dublin store, Dublin, California. Like, as soon as they got this off their truck, they allowed me to take it home to do an unboxing and bring it to you. Today, we're just going to take it out, play with it a little bit. Like, I'll attach it to my Z6, let you know what I think, my first impressions. But I'm gonna be doing a follow-up video of my full photo shoot review and give you my opinion on how it performs, how it handles in real-world portrait photography situations. I've got 2 to 3 shoots this week that I'll be doing with this, and then of course I'll be bringing my opinions to all of you. Okay, so let's get it started. We got the lens hood, which is smaller than the 24-70 2.8 lens that I currently use, which is the G lens for my D850 and all my other cameras, which is actually being recorded right now up above me, so I can't bring it and kind of compare it. But there you go, there's lens hood. Comes with, oh, that's the a microfiber cloth. It says Nikon on it. Has all the warranty and manual information, which we're gonna put right where it deserves to be, on the floor. Ah, here we go. And then there's nothing else in there, except, of course, the lens. Oh, nice. It's definitely lighter than my 24-70 that I currently have. Feels smooth, no clicking like the 24-70 f2.8S lens, which is good because that is the reason why I didn't buy it. When I got the Z6, I just bought the body and the adapter. Since I already had pro lenses, I did not want to get a lens that I had to click. I don't have anything wrong with it. f4.0 lens, but I would have gotten it for street photography and stuff like that when I travel, but that clicking definitely kept me away from wanting to get it. But now, since Nikon has a pro grade 24-70 f2.8 lens for my mirrorless, this is the next lens I'm getting. And I know it sounds crazy, but when I got the Z6, I was like, all right, I'm good. I have enough lenses. I've got the 850 and I got the Z6. I'm good to go. But this focal length is what I use the most by far out of any lens that I have. I've had to replace the focusing ring a few times because the rubber fell off from using it so much, and it's just a workhorse. This lens by far I use all the time when I'm walking around, quick portraits, street photography, landscape, when I'm hiking. This is the lens that I grab. Well, so you have your focusing ring, your zoom here, and then this, I know you can actually program it to control your aperture, which is really nice. I'm gonna try that out too. I do like that function sometimes to have it. You have the EL display, which will give you your reading of your aperture and your focal length, which is ironic because it says it right there, but nonetheless, I think that'll be pretty cool. And of course, I guess you could change the display here too. All right, so let's attach this to my Z6 and see what it's about once it's connected. Okay, so here's my Z6. Let's take off this adapter, put that there. Let's put all this stuff over here for now, just so it's easier to see. Cool. Ooh. Yeah, feels much better. Nice. Balance isn't bad. Actually feels pretty good in the hand. Even though it's 24-70, it's shorter than my current 24-70, and the balance, of course, it's going to be a little front heavy just because of the elements and the glass that's in the lens itself. You press display button right there. Oh, nice. So as I'm zooming, you can see how it changes right there. That's actually pretty sick. I like that in case I want to know if I'm exactly at 35. See, that would have knocked me off right there. Cool. Cool, I like that. Focus is actually, let's see here. Focus is actually faster with this than the my current 24-70 G lens. There's an obvious reason, because it's native to the body, and but it feels good. I mean, this feels good. It still feels light, and that's the reason why I got the Z6. I wanted a lighter package. Yeah. But I definitely like the display. I mean, maybe it's a little, maybe, you know, some people may think it's more of a gimmick and whatnot, but I actually like having that. That's pretty cool. So you could go through and see the, now, if you press display again from the focal length, now you can see which aperture you're at. If you're more of an old school shooter and you like to change the aperture on the lens itself, which actually could be pretty useful. I mean, it is quiet. It'll be quieter than this dial. You know, these dials are a little loud. This is nice and smooth and quiet, so it does give you that, a little bit of added secrecy when you're shooting street or in a wedding or something like that. Ultimately, I think this is a winner. If you're looking to definitely convert from a DSLR in your Nikon system and into mirrorless, I highly recommend getting the 24-70. It's not even really a question. It's just really, when can you get it? Should be the question you're giving yourself. It comes out a little bit more than the when it's extended to a 70mm, but it's not bad. Even still, it's still pretty compact. Here's my hand for a little bit of perspective in terms of height, or I mean length of the camera with the lens. So I think it's great. I mean, I can't wait. I can't wait to show you what I can capture with this. I can't wait to edit the photos that this lens captures and creates. And this lens is not only gonna help me in photos, it's also gonna help me with my video too. The Z6 has been amazing with being able to capture video and photos all in one system. So this lens is only gonna help me do that much easier. Please make sure that you post any comments or questions you may have down below. What do you think about this focal length? Do you have a 24-70? If so, what kind? As far as mirrorless, do you have the Nikon mirrorless specifically? And if so, do you think you'll be getting this lens? Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.